Isotopes are two or more atoms of the same element, which have the same number of protons and a different number of neutrons. This means that they have the same atomic number and different atomic mass numbers. An example of this would be two isotopes of carbon, carbon-12 and carbon-13. They both have the same number of protons, but a different number of neutrons. Due to this, their atomic mass numbers are also different. Another example would be the isotopes of hydrogen, which are hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. They all have a single proton, but have a different number of neutrons. To sum up, isotopes are like identical twins. They have mostly similar properties, however have a slight difference. In this case, their weight.